Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Summer is almost here and I'm already feeling the heat. If we are in the same boat, I have 4 easy, healthy and tasty popsicle recipes which are made with all natural, healthy ingredients and loaded with the goodness of fresh fruits. These pretty looking popsicles are definitely a perfect summer treat for kids and adults both. They are super refreshing and each of them is packed with 4 amazing different fruity flavors. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So the first popsicle is berry coconut. In a bowl, we'll add 1/4 cup of coconut milk and a tablespoon of honey. Give it a good mix and keep it aside. Now we'll add about 1/4 cup of strawberries in a bowl and mash them into a puree. We'll add this puree in a popsicle mould and then add in the coconut milk. Cover the mould, add in the stick and refrigerate overnight. The berry coconut popsicle is ready and it tastes as yummy as it looks. The second popsicle is chocolate banana. In a bowl, we'll add about 1/4 cup of chopped papaya and mash them into a puree. We'll keep this aside and add 1/4 cup of chopped banana in another bowl. Add in a pinch of cinnamon powder, a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a tablespoon of honey. Mash them until smooth and creamy. Add in a few chocolate chips and give it a mix. Now fill this in your mold and then add in the papaya puree. Cover the mold, add in the stick and refrigerate overnight. The chocolate banana popsicle is ready and it's a healthy and yummy treat for all the chocolate lovers. The third popsicle is creamy grapes. In a blender, we'll add some grapes and blend them well. Keep it aside and add some yogurt in a bowl. A few drops of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of honey. Give it a good mix. Fill this yogurt in your popsicle mold. Now add in the grapes puree. Cover the mold, add in the stick and refrigerate overnight. The combo of creamy yogurt and grape is just amazing. It looks gorgeous and it tastes absolutely yum. The next and the last popsicle is fruity lemonade. In a blender, we'll add some mint leaves, some crushed ginger, a tablespoon of honey, half teaspoon lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. Blend this well. And keep it aside. Now add some mixed fruits in your popsicle mold. I am adding strawberries and grapes. Add in the lemonade. Cover the mold, add in the stick and refrigerate overnight. This fruity lemonade is so delicious, it's super refreshing and the added fruits with every bite make it even more indulging. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these recipes. So do try them out and let me know which one is your favorite to beat the heat. As always, you can find the detailed recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.